Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Megan. If you didn't know, now you know. I'm going to go ahead and get this base coat started. It is a peel-off, ready for takeoff by UNT. I like this one much better than the Orly one. So, in today's video, we are going to do something that I'm hoping to be relatively simple. Currently, it is pretty trendy to do hourglass nails, which is, I guess, like the new take on a French nail. Instead of being down at the tip, it's down the center in kind of an hourglass shape. So that is what we're going to do, but we are also going to put some stickers on top of that to jazz it up a little bit, assuming that they will stay and not roll up. Alright, those are dry, so we're going to go in with 2 coats of this glittery green by Finger Paints. It is called Aren't You Wondering? You see this stringiness that's happening? This is because of that base coat. I don't like that it does that. It's weird because even though it strings off, it still makes a peel-off layer, so I don't understand the science. Or maybe I'm just not using it right because I don't understand. I don't use it often. Alright, so we're going to go in and draw the outside of our hourglasses with this black finger paints. It is called Black Expressionism. I'm going to put some on my palette over here so we can easily dip our little liner brush in it. And you can put down your base color first, or you can put your outside color first. I put down my glitters because it's a lighter color than this and I didn't want it to not show up well on the black, but if I were to put down the black first and I had something that I knew would show up well, then I could just draw the glass in afterwards. Either way is totally fine, but I am going to attempt to just fill in the outsides with the shape. Now I don't know how well my hourglasses are gonna go, but we're certainly gonna give it a shot. This nail is very skinny, so we can only do so much. I probably could have stood to put some more paint on this one too, because that first coat was so thin. But it is what it is, and we are going to be putting stickers on as well, so we can just strategically place them to cover up the thin spots. I'm not good at getting near the edges, so I'm going to have to clean that up. See if we can attempt to make this one semi-symmetrical on this side. I mean, it's as hourglassy as I can expect, I think. It's not bad. It's long, it's skinny, but it's a long, skinny nail. Let's work on the next one. This one's a bit thinner in the middle, but that's okay, I don't hate it. Not terrible. Let's hurry up and do these other 3. Alright, so we've got that on there. As you guys can see, my hourglasses are not the best. They're not super symmetrical. Some of them are too skinny. But I'm not an artist. I am not a professional. I am just doing stuff, as I always say. So let's go in and put down a quick dry top coat. This is China Glaze Fast Forward. Look what I've done. I've just dug my other nail into this one by accidentally hitting it. That is one of the drawbacks of nail polish. Luckily, I was able to pat it back into place without too much damage. Now, that does bring me to a good point. Whenever you're going to put on your top coat, you're not immediately going on right after you finish painting. You do give these a few minutes to dry down some so that this top coat doesn't just smear everything. And then you're going to go in with a light touch. Like when you're working with gel, you're using the whole brush. You push it down, smear it, but it is not the same way with nail polish. You want to go in and just basically be using the end of the brush. Otherwise, you're going to run the risk of pushing it into the polish that you already have down and smearing it everywhere. Nail polish is a solvent, so it does slightly melt the layer that you're putting it on. That's how it makes it smooth. So when that is melting, if you go to cramming your brush down into it, it's going to move it around. Okay, so we're going to give that some time to dry down. It'll get thin as it dries. And then we'll go in with our decorations, but we want to try and make sure they're not just going to roll up like those fish stickers did. So I will be back. These are dry, so we're ready to put our stickers on. These are the stickers I've chosen. I picked them because there are some butterfly variety and there are these cute little flowers. So I'd like to incorporate both. We're going to start with the pinky as you do and work our way across, and I think I'm going to try and put one of these double butterflies on the pinky. Hopefully these stickers don't just tear up. I do have that problem a lot, especially with these really sharp tweezers. Well, we have successfully removed that one. I think that's pretty cute. I wonder if we can get a small flower to put up near the top. Okay, we'll do this one. We did not tear it. Alright, I like that. What do you think? Okay, so there's our stickers. Let's have a little look at them. I think that is super cute. The camera is having a hard time looking at them. That makes it blurry, I think, because of the shininess. There we go. Now we're able to see them. What do you think? I actually love it. I think it's very springtime. I think the black helps the colors pop. I chose a glittery hourglass to maybe simulate the sand. So I think this is a pretty successful look. Of course, I will get you photos outside as per the usual. I don't know if it's sunny out. I hope it is. I hope these photos are pretty cute. Let me know if you have these stickers and if you have used them, what you did with them, and do you like this style that I have created here today? I'm pretty pleasantly surprised. I actually didn't know that I was gonna like it as much as I do, but I do. So we'll wrap this up here. thank you for liking the video and your comments and your interaction. Definitely do make sure that you are subscribed. We have finally made it over 300, so we are inching ever closer to the 500 for the giveaway. Definitely do be subscribed for that. And also, if you would like, check out my Etsy store. There is a link in the description. There's a couple of sets of press-ons on there. I haven't put any new ones on there as of making this video because there's already 6 sets and I want to see if they are going to sell at all before I spend my time and effort making more. I love painting press-ons and I do it for my group all the time, so I was like, I might as well sell them because I've basically just been hoarding them and then giving them out to friends as I can. But I don't know, I figured if someone else would enjoy them, then I could make them available. Either way, totally fine. Also, make sure that you're following me on my socials. I do post things over there that don't always make it into YouTube videos, like the 100 nail challenge. If you have seen some of those posts, that's what it's for, and usually those are just photos. There's not a video associated, so be there. Alright, well that is all. Thank you again, and thank you for watching this video. I will see you in the next one. Goodbye!